Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showcasing you how to quickly fix your iPhone 17 having a Bluetooth connectivity issue. So let's get started. Now this could be on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or iPhone 17 Air or any other iPhone, it doesn't matter. If you recently set it up, you might be experiencing Bluetooth connectivity issue, and in order to fix this, you are going to follow this simple tip. So all you are going to do is to go into your settings on your iPhone and then go to general and then scroll all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone. You are going to tap on that. Click on reset, and the reset that you need to do is the network reset. So when you do a network reset, basically it resets the settings that you connected to any Bluetooth device in the past or any Wi-Fi as well. You have to reconnect to them, but it's important to do this network reset in order to reset the network on your phone. Again, this will not delete any of your data, so all your apps, videos, photos will be saved. And then you are going to try to reconnect to the Bluetooth device that you had previous have an issue. It's a quick fix. Again, this happened with the new iPhone, or if you are recently upgraded or moved all of your data over some reason. There could be a bug or a glitch. Again, not exactly sure why, but this is going to be the quick and the fastest way to fix it until Apple release a new software update to fix this. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace.